zero out the bumps, ride smoothly. Heavy-duty truck shock absorber bags, certified by German TV, specially designed for all road conditions. Fear no potholes when off-roading. Ride as smoothly as on a cloud in the city, and stay as stable as a rock during heavy cargo transportation. High-strength, pressure-resistant material, anti-corrosion and wear-resistant. Install without damage in 3分钟 use. Protect the chassis and extend the vehicle's lifespan. Drive with peace of mind and no worries from now on.